Hi guys, welcome to. I'm here in GHARAFFA Park. As you can see, guys, you see, this is the air-conditioned park here in Doha, Qatar. So I will show you guys. Okay, I'm doing exercise now. You can see, guys, see. This is air-conditioned park here in Doha. So yes, very nice view, guys. Very nice view here. There. What? So this is the air-conditioned park here in Doha, Qatar, guys. You can see. So, maghahanap tayo, guys. I'm going to find this one. Okay. I'm going, guys, to toilet. So, I asked them, where is the toilet? Because I need to go. This place is very amazing, guys, you know. It's very nice. And it's good to do exercise here. Oh, the toilet is there. Hi guys! Grabe ang lamig dito sa park. Naka-aircon ka talaga, you know. You didn't feel that it's very hot because this park have aircon, have air conditions. So while you are jogging, you didn't feel hot because they provide air conditioner for this park, so it's very convenient for you. If you want to go jogging and you don't want to feel hot, and I think this place is, you know, is perfect for me because, you know, I always feel very hot because of weather in Qatar right now. At this moment here in Qatar is already a summer. And you know, guys, if summer here in Qatar, it's extremely hot, like, you know, sometimes 51 degrees, 52 degrees. So if you want guys to go for jogging and you don't like to feel hot, so this place is perfect for you guys. Okay, I recommended this place. Is very, very nice and very relaxing, peaceful, convenient, have toilet. If you want to drink water and you didn't you didn't bring any water, you can drink here. They have a free water here, and I think it's clean. You can drink, guys. Okay, so this is the place, guys. You see the place is very nice. The place is very nice. Yes, guys. So punta na kayo dito, guys. Dito kayo mag-exercise. At sure ako mag-enjoy kayo. Ayan, may playground. Ayan yung mga bata, guys. May playground din. Pwede ka maglaro dyan. Kung gusto mo ma-feel na bata ka ulit, ganon. So you can bring your kids here to play because they have a lot of, you see, they have a playground here so they can play while you do your exercise and jogging. Yeah, you see, guys, have here, you see. So you can sit there, have chair if you want to take rest. And this is the playground. See, guys, it's very nice. You can bring your kids here to play while you're doing an exercise. So I will try this one. Oh, this one is not. You can do seesaw here, guys. See? So it's very nice. It's very nice, guys. You see? See? So this is the water, guys. So you can drink water here. I think the water is clean. Just in case you forget to bring your own water, so you can drink there. So you don't need to buy. Okay? Anyway, this is my first time to come here. Yeah, this is my first time to come here, and I'm so amazed for what for what I see here in place. So, and I really like this place, guys. It's very relaxing and peaceful and very clean. You can enjoy to come here and doing your exercise and doing jogging. Yeah, you see? Because I'm become fat. So I need to do exercise, guys. Yes. This one, you see, guys, you can do exercise there. There's a lot of equipment that you can use for exercising, like this one, guys. See, guys, you can. This is you see, guys, this is the material. This is the, for using exercise. You want to do a push up, you can use this one. And here also, you can make like this. Yeah, like that. So this place is perfect for for doing exercising and doing jogging and everything. You see, guys, see the place. It's very nice. Oh. So you don't feel like don't feel like this place is very amazing. wala siyang zipline. Pwede ka mag-zipline dito. Kaya lang pag mga ganito oras kasi maraming tao dito. So, minsan hindi ka makakasingit. So, kailangan pag pupunta ka dito yung wala pang tao para pwede mo siya ma-experience. Maraming tao. So, mamaya guys, babalik ako dyan. Kasi hindi gusto ko i-try yung zipline. Hindi ko na-try kasi nga maraming bata. Kaya naman ako makipag-agawan sa kanila guys. So, yun. Ayan. Ito ko ngayon sa labas naglalakad.